Landscape lang na. Nice man ang landscape.
Camera to, nas camera.
Ano na gamay mong kalo kaya?
Kag-water na yun.
Kadaan dyan!
Pangit ko.
Wait lang kuya.
Ay, relax lang,
Relax
Jay.
lang, kuya.
Relax lang, Jay. Relax lang. Ako nag... ko. Wow! Ano yung mga mayanag? Crazy jud ka doon.
Kapil pa ko sa mga park na ako. Sure. Great standing from Travis away. All on Sacra Bars. With a view splash photography. Right on the side lang, sir. You can stand pa para makita. Oh, itlog.
Ang itlog jud yung gitanaw doon. Itlog.
Ano?
Like a brownish stripe. Male have dark.
Storya.
Lalo, nanglingi sila. What you looking at, ha?
Kaan lang niya ako ang dahon. Ingon, hindi.
Ay, hindi ko na-shy sila. Ay, na-shy me.
Wala look nila. Look na sila dere, guys.
Kapit na malubat.
Dagam ito kag battery. Ano kita?
Where's your kahoy?
Ari ho na ito. Let's go. Go.
Di ba omnivore mo kaon siya dahon?
Abo. Awa. Gapo kay kadungguyag.
Awa. Awa.
Lagi.
Awa yang ikupot.
Hala.
Brown cream.
Kabaw pa na. Naglinya ka na sila, oy. Naglinya. Uy,
Kaon sa sanga?
Omnivore, noy? Ang sagsanga. Omnivore.
Omnivore po ni?
Malawa ko.
sige, Jay. Ikay leader, Jay.
Na, ang lubot. Ano sa din
Nice ass.
Ato bang ba?
Peacock.
Nice ass.
Peacock.
Peacock!
Peacock ka. Peacock. Hoy, ito bang ba? Peacock. Udray, ang kuha na vibrant. Peacock. Ang batang.
Nam good ra ang babae no mo
Uy,
Oh.
trabaho na.
Hello, magopo.
Black the beautiful. And then, patay na ta.
And we chop it inside. Good bird. Second one. Okay, now we mix up the plastic bottle. Where do you want to put that? Okay, now let's try it again. One more time. He picks up another plastic bottle, walks all the way, open the non-biodegradable bin, and chop it inside. Last one. He picks up a crumpled paper, open the bin, and good bird. Now she can see most of. One more time, say wings. Now last team Macalas. Right, so we all here, our team flying Macalas names, Tony, Harry, and Barbie. Now blue Now this bird, it can grow up to 85 many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, and seeds. Right, now can we do it again? And seeds. Now, Larry Macas, thank you so much to our bird trainers and also to Miss Debbie. Now, ladies from eastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Tom. Now, seniors, we are monogamous type volunteer. 3 adult volunteers. Now, for the first song. I love you more than I can. One more time. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to what we did next. One more time. Last one. Now see how nice catch, Thunder. Alright, now again. Wait, there's more. Here comes the mother of Fusion, Marina. Now a white velvet sea eagle, they have a white plummet. Now this bird, it can grow up to 75 or 85 centimeters and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, before we totally end our show, I would like to introduce to you the people behind the success of this show. So our bird trainer here on stage, we have here Mr. Charles, Mr. Irvin. Alright, now for those who want to take pictures,
Picture, G, dali, G. Hi. Picture, G, dali. G,
Tutuloy siya dito.
smile, smile. No. Madali. Ay, wala siya ni Aubrey. Shy na siya? Shy na siya. Ano siya, guys? Ang white lion.
Sige, sudah ko.
Nani? Ko. Natakil po. Nagagil po. Garang tiger din natin. Dali, dali. Ikot mo.
We have our 2 white lions named Ben and Ken. They are raised and bred in captivity from Germany. Both male, 9 years old po. Now as you can see, they're not...
Picture ni kan dako ka na balik ka dali. 7 years old po ko ni ari. Karong 14. So 3 years old pa sila ato.
Here is the name sa anak. Ako Manila, nag-alaya.
Mana mo? Doon sa dito.
Thank you! I don't wanna go! Go see! Ano ba yan? Hold! Oh my God! Ay, mami lang. Ito lang makita. Hold, ma'am. Okay na ka, ma'am. Dito lang sa hold. Ayun sa bali. Dudun, nag-kiss na siya. Okay, that's so cute. Wala, may pa siya, kalmara. Kalmara kayo sa, wala, nanguto siya sa kong ubil. Gipanguha niyang kaspa. Kinay puti-puti. Lagi. Wala man, nanguha siya kaspa, guys.
Nang harvest.
Wala kong buhok.
Nang harvest.
Ganun ka, oy. Kamay nitugpa ni mo.
Natruma ka gali ako di.
Ay, kaya pala. Gilo kayo. Kalagato ko pa.
Dagana nila biyag.
Guapa. Tabangin ko. Guys, ubay gud akong kaspa sa ulo, guys. Gada sa balay, Clara. Kaya yun. Hindi siya muhawa.